Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm here with my mom and she's helping me with the unboxing. Here's the first package. My mom already opened it, but it's Tubby Todd's Everyday Lotion Hair and Body Wash. That's super awesome. And Tubby Todd All Over Ointment. Thank you so much. Here's the next one. Ooh. Oh, I put these on my registry because I wanted them in Spanish. I want our daughter to read books in Spanish. I'm pretty sure that's what this one is too. Excited? Yeah? Yep, same thing. Another book in Spanish. Oh, it's a seat tray. I think the seats, I saw that someone got that on my registry. The seat is here somewhere, but this is the tray that goes on the seat. Thank you. This one was not on the registry, and I love it because this is actually the colors of our nursery. Pink, gray, white. Oh, it's so soft. Here's a card. Oh my gosh. Yep. All right. Ah, it's stuck. Oh, this is from the Costas. Thank you. And thank you for this. This is awesome. I thought this was the cutest thing on our registry. Her first food set. Okay, and this one is from my mother-in-law. Got us all these awesome books. I know, it's awesome. And the last one is from the Cade Foundation. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. It says, made with love and a little science. Okay guys, we thank you so much. We love you and we appreciate the support. Thank you, thank you.